To download Black Myth Wukong on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, a platform that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. This can be done by searching for Steam in a search engine, then clicking on the store.steampowered.com link and selecting Install Steam from the website. Choose the correct platform and click Install Steam again. Once the Steam setup is downloaded, open it and follow the installation prompts, which include selecting a language, choosing a destination folder, and clicking Install to begin the installation process. After Steam is installed, open the Steam app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. If you don't have an account, creating one is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you should see the Steam store. If not, click on the Store tab to access it. Next, type Black Myth Wukong into the search box. Press Enter, and then click on the gear icon. Select View Unfiltered Search Results, and uncheck Hide Ignored Items to find the game. Click on the game, then select View Page, and scroll down to the purchase options. You can choose to pre-purchase the base game or the Digital Deluxe Edition, which includes exclusive items for an additional €10. If the game is not yet available, you can pre-purchase it, and if it's already available, the process is the same. To buy the game, click Add to Cart, then View Cart, and select whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift. Choose your payment method from the drop-down menu. Then click Continue to proceed with the payment process. After completing the payment process, the game will be added to your Steam library. To access the game, click on the Library tab. Then click on Black Myth Wukong and select Install. Choose whether to create a desktop or Start menu shortcut and select the drive where you want to install the game. Click Install, and the game will be installed automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking on the green Play button.